swear to God, one of y'all touch me. Ow. You bald-headed ass. Punch Daniel shit.
What was that again?
Yeah, touch me, touch. All right then. Can I get your ID number, please?
I don't want to hear that shit. I paid for it.
On July 24th, 2024, Orlando police were called to Universal Studios, Florida, to remove disorderly guests.
Can I show you a picture of my ID? I have my ID with me. I just can't.
Juan Carlos?
There you go. You have it right there.
Yeah, so he's definitely
What's
22.
the problem? I don't understand.
Buddy, the problem is that we've heard multiple times, all right, we have cameras on it saying that you peed where you shouldn't have. You peed outside, you peed like where you weren't supposed to, all right? All right, so what we're doing from there, is we're getting your information, all right, and we're picking you out. All right, that's what we're doing, plain and simple. All right, and then we also heard, you also heard what? You guys have, okay? We heard that you guys, your group is being disorderly right now. You're the one that peed where you shouldn't have, right?
Can you see the video?
Okay, I'm not showing you anything. You guys aren't proud of it. I'm not showing you anything.
We never did any. We never did any. If you have video, you can bring up the video and show me. If you show the video, we'll walk out.
All right, we're kicking you out.
We never did any of that.
Trespass paper for that.
So can I get my refund back?
You can talk to guest services if you want. That's not my department. My department's security. All right,
Patrick,
sir.
Yeah, I will.
I will. You talk to guest services. Remember,
can I get my ID back, please?
When we're done with your ID, we'll get it back. All right, the officer needs to do some paperwork.
All right, you guys need to all start walking out towards the exit. You're all trespassing Universal Studios.
Trespass.
We're trespassing.
We just bought a ticket.
What are we trespassing? I bought the ticket. So what are we trespassing?
It's private property.
What are you talking about? I bought his name under his name. Hold on. Get the here. Hold on. I have his name. Literally his whole. What are we trespassing? Look.
But what I'm saying is, what's the problem? Then I fight.
Hey. No.
With us.
Baby, give me your ID. Baby, give me your ID. Hold on. Hey, look.
Okay, come on, guys.
I have his ID. Hold on.
Hey, guys, let's go. Let's start walking towards the exit. Okay? Here, start walking towards the exit.
For real, like that? Y'all can accept our.
What are you talking about? I bought his name.
Okay, here, let's walk this way and you can talk. And you can tell me about it.
Supervisor.
Okay.
Where's supervisor? No. I don't want to talk to no police, but supervisor.
Okay.
As a supervisor. I just want to talk to
At the exit is a supervisor.
No.
Over there. Can I please speak to a supervisor?
At the exit, you will speak verbal trespass.
I don't understand. I pay my tickets. I don't understand what's going on.
If the city wants to meet us at the exit.
You don't have to yell at us. You don't have to yell at us. You don't have to yell at us. He doesn't have to yell at us.
You guys,
He can walk on his own way.
listen.
Y'all disrespecting us. I paid money.
Hold on a sec.
Exactly. We paid
Let me talk to him. Baby, let me talk to him. I got all your names on my phone.
Okay.
Oh, go ahead.
Start walking towards the exit.
I will walk with you.
Come on.
Let me walk with you.
Do not touch me.
I won't touch you
Walk
then.
this way.
You don't touch her. That's just
Walk
simple.
this way then. Come on.
Wow. Touch you.
Come on.
Go.
Start walking.
Hombre. Go ahead.
Start
What?
walking.
So what?
Okay.
I have everyone's names on my card, on my
Okay,
phone.
thank you.
I have
Let's walk
everyone's
this way.
ID.
Let's walk this way.
I
I'm
have
listening.
everyone's ID.
Okay.
So what's the problem?
Problem is this is private property and you guys leave.
What is problem?
You guys have
Have done what? Have done what?
let's just walk. You guys aren't listening.
We're walking. Mom said, can you explain to us? Can you explain to us why are we watching?
Already did. I'm not arguing with you guys. Just keep walking.
Argue with me.
Just keep walking.
Argue with me.
All right, so this is what's gonna happen. You guys keep walking, or you're gonna get in trouble. Okay?
I'm walking.
Okay, just keep
I'm
walking.
walking. I need your ID number. I need your ID number.
If they stop one more time, they're going. If they stop one more time, they're going. Just keep walking.
I need your ID number.
Can I talk to her?
Damn. I swear to God, one of y'all touch me. Ow. You bald-headed ass. Punch Daniel shit.
What was that again?
Yeah, touch me, touch.
That's all right. You better move. You better move because you could go too.
You better move.
Her key fell. Her key fell.
Stop.
Her key fell.
Okay.
So can you pick up the key and give it to me, please? Can you pick up the key?
All right.
Hold on. We left the key. We left our key. Get your key. Okay, can I get my key? Can I get my car key? Thank you. Appreciate that.
All right.
Simple as that. Keep walking.
Get the pussy ass. You little pussy ass.
I know. I'm gonna keep walking. That is not what they say so.
As long as they keep walking, if they stop, then I say,
Hey, as long as we keep walking, we good, right? So can I get your ID number? Can I get your ID number? Nah, I'm walking. Can I get your ID number? I'm walking. Am I walking or not? I'm walking. All right then. Can I get your ID number, please?
Hey, when I come to mom, I don't want to hear that shit. I don't want to hear that shit. I pay for it.
if you come back, you'll go to jail.
Tomorrow, hey.
Trespass, you come back, you'll go to jail.
She's about to go to jail.
Hey, let me stop.
She stopped one more time, she's going to jail.
Oh, there we go.
What y'all doing? Y'all see what y'all
Start grabbing
doing?
them, bro.
All right, first one is that.
We're have a good time. We got straight up our family. Y'all think that shit cool?
Under Florida statute 810.09, a paid ticket does not confer an unconditional right to remain on private property. Once Universal Studios management revoked the guest's license to remain, any continued presence constituted trespass after warning of first-degree misdemeanor. Officers issued multiple explicit warnings on camera before initiating any arrest, a critical procedural step that establishes the legal foundation for the trespass charge. When the female subject kicked the arresting officer during handcuffing, Florida Statute 784.07 immediately applied. Battery on a law enforcement officer elevates the offense from misdemeanor to a third-degree felony up to 5 years. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, use of force is judged by objective reasonableness from the officer's perspective at the moment, not in hindsight. Given active resistance and documented kicking, the ground control applied here falls within that standard. Florida Statute 843.02, resisting an officer without violence, was triggered the moment any subject pulled away during handcuffing without striking. Intent to obstruct is presumed from the act itself.
On your back.
You're under arrest. Put your hand behind your back. You're under arrest. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, you for real?
You got your cuff. I got him.
You for real? You a straight. Yo. You a straight. Yo.
Give it.
Yo.
Get it?
Straight.
You need my cuffs? You good? I got him. Just take them. All right.
I'm not even straight up. You a straight. Yo, we didn't even do anything.
I'm a woman, you stupid ass pussy ass. I'm a pussy ass woman. I'm a pussy ass woman. Learn how to treat a woman, you stupid ass. Hey, I never disrespect a woman. You stupid ass.
What are you talking about, bro?
I don't give a you stupid ass. Hey, no. But let me tell you something. I never disrespected him for him to touch me like that. Hey, I never did that for him to disrespect me.
You gotta roll him. Roll him my way.
Come on, roll me.
Get your hand. It's broken. Okay, it's stuffing in your vest. Do that. Alright, roll this way. Get up. Put your legs up. Okay, with your stuff.
Don't on me. Hey, make sure your shit's on. Hey, make sure your shit's on. Hey, make sure your shit's on.
It's on. You have
It's on.
Okay.
You disrespectful.
Go into our office. Just get up.
What's wrong with y'all, bro? You're hurting my arm, bro. What's wrong with y'all, bro? Wait, baby. Wait, let me talk to you. Babe.
You hear me?
Wait, don't.
You're doing what I want.
Fuck, babe, don't.
You're listening
All right,
to me.
walk, smoke.
Why y'all doing this to us? Why y'all doing this to us? Cause I tried your bald head ass.
Wanna cut you? Spit on me again. Spit on me again.
I ain't never spit on you. I ain't never spit on you.
Then look away.
I ain't never spit on you.
Look away.
I'm a mama. I'm a grown ass. You in the street. You a.
Stop tensing up, dude. Get that. I'll put you right on the ground again. Stop tensing up.
I ain't even tensing.
Stop tensing up. Stop tensing up. I told you to stop.
I ain't even tensing up.
Stop tensing up, bro. You're doing it to yourself. Sit down. Sit down.
I never did shit on you. Stupid ass.
That is me. Again, now you got felony charges for kicking a law enforcement officer. Do that shit again and I'm gonna put you in a hobble. You understand? This is Orlando. I don't know where you're from. You'll find out.
You're gonna end up like this for a while, okay? No more kicking. Or you're gonna end up having your feet tied too. You understand that? Like he said.
He up with me in my face.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
He up with me in my face.
Calm down.
He up with me in my face. He mad because he don't make no money. Yeah, hit me again. Oh, ass. Bald ass. He mad.
I was walking out the gate and y'all took me up for no reason, bro. We were walking out and y'all grabbed us for no reason. We was already walking out.
It started off about. And then you got tackled me.
We already walking out. And y'all grabbed us.
Oh, you need a Superman.
Yeah, I'm claiming injury. He hit me. And he stole my ring. Stole my ring. Yeah, I'm suing. I'm a rapper. Alright. They gonna feel it after.
You okay?
No, he ain't okay. He gonna get sued. He ain't okay. Bald head ass.
You put it in here for I think.
I ain't no average ass. I'm not an average ass. This bald head ass. I'm tied up, balled up, tied up. Man, what the f***? I ain't even do shit.
They got the females out there like, what the like they grown men. Come on, bro. We were walking out the park. And y'all decided to grab us. That's what happened. That's exactly what happened. We'll take this shit to trial. I'll beat it. I gotta, man.
My lawyer?
Look all the cameras I got around, bro. We didn't do nothing. We was walking out. And y'all
Bodycam said get out, we was gonna get out.
The officer's post-arrest explanation, while thorough, constitutes a legal risk. Under Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, custodial interrogation requires prior advisement of rights. No Miranda warning is visible on camera. Any incriminating response elicited post-arrest may be subject to suppression. The female subject's on-camera acknowledgement of the kick for kicking you is a spontaneous statement, not interrogation. Under Rhode Island v. Innis, 1980, spontaneous admissions without officer prompting are generally admissible, but the surrounding context will be scrutinized by defense counsel. Officers receive a B. Legal basis for arrest was solid. Force was proportionate. On-camera warnings were textbook trespass documentation. Deduction absence of visible Miranda advisement creates avoidable evidentiary exposure. Female subject receives a C-. Verbal protest was constitutionally protected under the First Amendment. Physical resistance was not. The kick converted a correctable misdemeanor into a felony with no legal or tactical benefit. Male subject receives a C+. No striking of officers but active tensing against restraint added a resisting charge that compliance would have avoided.
Simple question. Do you need your handcuffs fixed?
I do, but I've been wanting to ask you a question. I've been wanting to ask you questions and you don't want to answer me. You the grown-ass man.
You got multiple charges. And you got a felony charge.
I have a felony charge for what?
Correct. For kicking me. That's battery on a law enforcement
I
officer.
kicked you.
Yep.
Okay, so tell me what my charge are.
What's that?
Tell me what my charge are.
Get all the rest of the charges on the way.
I'm talking to you. You can't tell me what the rest of my charges are? I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. I'm a grown-ass woman. And I'm calm.
Okay.
And I'm calm now.
So now give me the
But
chance to speak.
but look, you
Because
gotta...
you're asking me a question. And if we're going to sit here
I'm not gonna go back for
and I have to talk over you, then there's no need
I'm
for
not
me to
yelling
tell
at
you
you.
because then you're not getting
I'm not
grasping
yelling at
anything
you
that I need to
because
tell
we're
you.
right here, right?
You still talk. Instead of you're asking a question, but yet you don't want to hear the answer because you're still talking. Right? So in the city of Orlando, there's disorderly conduct, okay? Which is what you guys are creating at the park, okay? They want to do trespass, right? When the Universal Studios employees want to do trespass, okay? That means all those people that were there with walkie-talkies, they all work security or management for the park, okay? So at some point, you guys were being advised that you were trespassed from the property, right? If you kept stopping or refusing to leave, right, after giving multiple commands, after giving multiple commands and everything like that, letting you guys know you're trespassed, once you guys stopped again, then you were trespassed at that point. You're refusing to leave, so trespass after one, okay? Then on top of that, right, you were being arrested for that. Everybody else that joined and tried to resist officers and this and that were all being arrested, okay? Then when I came up to you and I had the physical ID, which is this ID here that I had, right? And I said, is this you? And you said, no, that's not me, Edward. And then you kicked me, right, which is on camera. Then you earned yourself a felony at that point, right? Because now you battered a law enforcement officer, okay? Do you have any other questions for me? I don't know. In your property, with all the cash in your Louis Vuitton purse. What else do you need?
That was no reason to arrest her. Listen,
don't get yourself in more trouble.
Wait, let me ask you. Listen.
Don't get yourself in more trouble.
Let me talk to you. Let me ask you something.
Listen.
Can I ask you something? I'm not yelling.
Go ahead.
Okay, when people like supposedly we got like what did you say? Trespass, whatever. Well, wouldn't you guys were like obligated to tell us before we trespassed? We had no idea.
We told you guys multiple times. It's all on camera.
Multiple times.
That means more than once. That means more than once.
I just.
So check this out. Now you talk. I'll let you talk.
Listening.
So listen, before you get more trouble.
No, I'm not gonna do shit.
Stop doing that. Just stop doing that. So you don't get yourself in more trouble, right? There you go.
Key lessons. 1. On private property. A ticket is a license, not a right. Compliance with removal is legally required regardless of perceived fairness. 2. Any physical contact with an officer during arrest, however minor, carries felony exposure under Florida law. 3. Invoke the right to silence immediately upon arrest. Post-arrest conversation without counsel is the single most common source of self-incrimination in trespass escalations. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.